What's up, boys and girls? It's me, Fana. Welcome back to my channel. Before we get started, then about to to me is something. Today, we want to shut down the yard.
What happened last night?
It really got rainy and it actually broke a branch off.
And
maybe it ripped our yard a little. So let's just shut down.
so, Savannah, did we get a lot of thunder
Yes, and a lot of rain.
and a lot of lightning?
And the tornado siren.
Oh, tornado sirens! What do you do when you go get a tornado sirens?
Go downstairs.
Into the, like, where there's no windows, right?
Mm-mm.
Yep, and you be safe, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so let's go look at your pool first thing. Oh, look.
There's a bead in our...
Oh, that's okay. You get to look at all the water in these plants.
Yeah.
Or what used to be plants. Come, let's look at your pool.
I know. When I came home, I saw that duck in my pool.
Where did that ducky come from?
Maybe the wind blew it in.
So, guys, I heard we got 7 inches of rain last night here. I don't know how true it is, but I know we got a lot of rain, and it looks like it.
Our yard. There's a lot of branches in our yard.
Look at that. We got a couple branches down.
And here's a branch. That's another tree.
Yep.
All by my trampoline.
There's a branch down there.
Let's just check my plants to see if they're okay.
Let's see.
There's more some they made.
Oh, yeah.
Whoa. This grass is really growing.
Look at this.
It's okay.
Well, that weed really popped up very fast.
What those are?
What?
Those are over there.
The carrots?
Yes.
Look at this. This really popped up overnight, too.
Those are weeds?
That was a weed. This is a weed, too.
Let's go and see.
Well, let's come down and see. We had one big branch go down there.
Yes, a huge branch.
So
let's check this portion to see if it's okay.
Oh, looks like we had to put a little. We gotta get a little dirt right here
because it looks right there.
Yep, it looks like it washed out a little bit down here behind this retaining wall down this hill.
And some right here and there.
Yep, we gotta get some dirt there.
We're still check the backyard.
And then, guys,
maybe some on here.
Look at all this dirt that got washed away here.
Come on, let's check the backyard and see if it's okay. Now let's check the back.
Look at all this.
My gosh. I've been
Lot
there for a long time. Let's go check the backyard, Blondie. I think the backyard maybe. My swing set's still there.
So guys, as you see all this water that we had, I'm gonna have to go.
In the backyard too, right there.
Yeah. So, oh yeah, there's definitely some branches down.
How much branches did they fall off trees last
Well, I don't know. Well, it doesn't look like we got a lot of damage. Just got a lot of water that came out, right?
Yes, and a lot of branches.
Yeah. Now I think, Savannah, we should show everyone what Daddy drove home in, and maybe show everyone how much rain we got. Maybe, right? I got clips of that, right?
Yes.
So we're going to show everyone a little bit of the rain that we had coming down last night. I think it's really raining out here, guys. Well, guys, this is what has happened with the rain. This is what it's doing. see they have a pilot car going. I don't know why they're not closing this highway down, but it's just this slow. You can't go in the one lane right now. It is a river out here right now. Across the highway. I don't know if you've all seen the movie Hard Rain, but this is what it sure feels like right now is a hard rain. It's impressive what Mother Nature can do for us. This is normally cropland, people. Okay, guys. I hope you all enjoyed those clips that we had.
This tree is wet.
But I'm going to go to Menards here, and I'm going to get some dirt, or maybe Walmart. I'm going to go get some dirt so I can fill in those spots. Get some grass seed, and Savannah and I, once I get back, can go and fill up the holes, right? Welcome back, guys. As you see, I stopped and got 8 bags of soil, a bag of grass seed, and now we are ready to start filling in some of these holes and hopefully getting them filled up. Well, one of the things I'm going to try is the previous owner left a rock pile back here in the woods, right here. So one of the pluses about sandy soil is it does run away from the house. You know, runs everything away from the house. Drawback is sand washes away really easily. So guys, I'm going to try and put some rock down, put the soil down, and hopefully this won't happen in the future. So as I do this, I'm going to show you guys steps, and Savannah will be helping me. Guys, I told you Savannah would be out here pretty soon to help me do this. She came out here pretty fast.
I was inside doing my money bank.
Oh, you were doing your money bank?
Because there was a lot of money in those drawers, so we took them out and put them in my money bank.
Oh, really?
This is hard.
It is hard.
I can't do this. Did you clean it yet?
What? Nope.
Oh man, I want to get rid of that bat.
I'm trying to do this real fast.
Okay.
So, guys, I put a tire here hoping that this will help stop it from washing out, but it only helped it a little bit. Whoa. I'm thinking I'm going to need a lot more rocks, Savannah.
Can I see how much rocks? Nope.
So,
This would be a dirt sledding the hill, Daddy.
really good sledding hill.
This one.
Yep. Alright, so guys,
Well, my
I bet this will be like eight or so trips.
perfect.
This will be a many trips
So you
back and forth. So hopefully I have enough gravel over there, enough rock.
So let's go.
Right, Savannah? So it is kind of tough, but we will get it. Hopefully filled up a little bit, and if not, I have plenty of dirt to be able to do this, right, Savannah? Wait, so Savannah's helping get some of it in there.
I did over.
Okay. You want Daddy to do it?
Yes,
Here.
Here. Daddy.
And I'm going to try and get.
Get rid of these rocks.
Well, yeah, it helps us with a couple things. It gets rid of these rocks, and it helps fill in that hole, right?
Yes, and the slide when someone
And hopefully that hole won't come back next time it rains. right?
Mm-hmm.
That's the hope.
Yes, and that's okay. We gotta get some dirt because we have grass seed.
Yep, we got grass seed. I don't know if I have enough rock here though to fill in that hole.
Maybe we have some over there.
I know. Look, I think I may have another bucket or two full of rock here. Not much. But we'll get there, right? Okay. Let's go empty this bucket. How many buckets is this, Savannah?
3.
Number 5?
5.
Alright, so guys, this bucket number 5. So roughly around, it's a 5-gallon bucket. So Savannah, 5 times 5 is what?
5 plus.
What's 5 plus 5? Is it 10?
Yes.
But 5 times 5 is 25, isn't it? So roughly around 25 gallons of rock went down here so far. So to kind of fill this in, because I didn't buy tons of dirt, because when I was at Menards, I was like thinking, you know what? I can totally do this a little bit and get away with putting some rock down here. Right, Savannah? So I'm just trying to slide this rock down a little bit, so that way most of it's going to be dirt. So, Savannah, ooh, the air conditioning just came on. It must got too hot in the house, right? It's, at least this isn't that big of a hole right now, but it definitely needs to be fixed before it does serious damage to the house and the yard. Mainly to the house. We don't really want to damage the house. I have a bag of dirt. Okay. We're going.
He's doing the worst one. He's doing the worst.
Okay, so guys, as you see, I just pretty much put a lot of dirt.
We're in the same spot.
Right down the hole, right in the hole, right, Savannah? Right in the hole, right? So guys, it's all the way down here. All that's kind of the sandy stuff. Like I said, it's very sandy soil here. So that's kind of why it washes out a little bit. Right, Savannah? So I'm going to take the shovel here.
Mm-hmm.
Try and level this out a little bit. Just so that way, hopefully,
It doesn't.
when it rains tonight, because it's supposed to rain again tonight, guys. And if it wasn't going to rain, I have to water this. But I'm going to take... Savannah likes to help out a lot, okay?
I did this at school once.
Okay, Savannah.
I did this.
Whoa.
Once.
Yeah.
I did this at school once.
Yeah, oh yeah. Did you?
For grass.
Okay, now put some up towards the top so we can... Yeah, because it's going to kind of wash down here. Nope, we probably better save some for the back, right, Savannah? Alright, so guys, can you bring the shovel and scissors? Oh, wait, here, Daniel, take the scissors, actually. We bring the shovel. Okay, guys.
I can do that.
Look at this. There's a lot of rock. A lot of rock here. We're going to hopefully get it covered up a little bit. Like I said, it's about 25 gallons of rock that I put down here. And we're trying to put it down in here. Put some soil. And hopefully... Oh, and hopefully we get this. Okay, let's see this one.
Maybe if you lift the whole body up. Maybe.
Yeah, maybe.
It's working.
It is working, isn't it? Wait a minute. You did that one so fast, Savannah.
Maybe if you
Okay.
do the second blade.
You want to do this one? Get a little bit and see what it does.
Nothing.
You try and pick it up though at the same time as shaking it. Shake it. Shake it at the same time as picking it up. See, you did that in like a record time. You did that so fast, Savannah.
We had to
Let's see, last one. Let's see if you can shake this one as fast and shake it and pick it up. You did the last one in like 10 seconds. Let's see if you can do this one that fast. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Oh, I think you did that even record time, even more. Yay! 5.
I need to turn off my shoes.
And you have dirt on your shoes, and Daddy has dirt on his feet and dirt on our hands. I bet anything you're taking a bath tonight.
Right up there.
Now you did it?
Yes.
Okay.
I want to go
But now where's the grass seed?
right there.
Like, can you grab a handful and start putting it down? Here, let's. Now throw it all over.
Can I sprinkle it all?
No, Daddy's gonna hold it. You keep throwing it all over the dirt. And by the way, guys, this is shade grass seed. Because this area does not get a lot of sun. So that's what we did back here was shade grass seed because it doesn't get a lot of sun either. And this is the same type of grass seed that's back there. And as you see, I planted that this spring. It's growing fantastic.
Don't say it does stand.
Yep, that's okay. Okay, now just start throwing some all over.
All the way down that.
Yep.
That'll be
But
hard.
we're going to want to make sure we get some up here.
I threw it all the way down.
Actually, I should say I didn't plant it back there. Savannah and I planted it back there. But I know that we're going to be getting a lot of rain again tonight.
Can you take a handful? Whoa.
Wait, I'm just. Wait, shake the rest of the bag out wherever you want. Whoa! Oi, Savannah.
It's empty.
It's empty? Okay, Savannah.
Put more in there. I'll put all-
Okay, Savannah. Hey, are you ready to do some shout outs?
Yes. The first shout outs to Dale. There's a shout outs to Dwayne. And the final shout outs to Ginny. Thanks for watching our video. Thumbs up. We love you. If you died, want to be shouted out.